In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a goal tracker in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, flexible system that keeps your goals organized, visual, and actionable. Start by creating a new page and name it Goal Tracker. Add a page icon to make it easy to spot in your sidebar. Inside this page, type /table and choose Table View. When prompted, click +New Database and name it Goals. This will be the central place where all your goals live. Next, set up the properties so each goal has the right details. Keep the default title property and rename it to Goal. Add a select property called Category, and create options like Personal, Work, or Health. Add another select property called Year or Quarter for tags, such as Q1 or 2020. 5. Create a date property named Deadline to keep timing clear. Finally, add a way to mark completion, either a checkbox property or a status property. Status gives you stages like Not Started, In Progress, and Done. While a simple checkbox is perfect if you prefer a binary complete or incomplete setup. If you work with big goals, open the database settings and enable sub-items. This lets you break a large goal into smaller tasks nested beneath it, making plans easier to tackle and track. To visualize progress, add a formula property. If you are using sub-items, tie your calculation to how many subtasks are complete. Or, if you maintain a numeric progress value, use this visual bar formula, slices fay, 0, round progress. Asterisk 10 plus slices fay, 0, 10, round progress asterisk 10 plus, format round progress asterisk 100+%. This turns a 0 fay on 100% value into a quick, readable progress meter. Create a new view and switch to Board. Group by category to separate life areas or group by status to see work moving from Not Started to Done. This makes bottlenecks obvious at a glance. Then, add a gallery view for a visual card-based layout. It's perfect if you like cover images or want a more inspiring dashboard. Tidy things up with filters and sorting. Filter out completed goals or show only the current year so you stay focused. Sort by deadline to prioritize what's due next. Now, click the arrow next to the blue New button and select +New Template. Name it New Goal. Inside the template, add guiding sections like why, action steps, and resources, and prompt yourself to define the goal using the SMART framework. Set this template as the default so every new goal starts structured and ready to execute. Thanks for watching.